life before DataQI. For many engineers and operators, troubleshooting doesn't start with fixing the problem. It starts with searching for the right document. A machine alarms, a process drifts, or a quality issue appears. And the first step is opening folders, digging through PDFs, or asking someone where the latest procedure is stored. This slows resolution, creates inconsistency, and makes operations dependent on a handful of experts. DataQI Assistant changes all of that. Connecting to a document store. Here we connect a SharePoint drive that contains manuals, SOPs, maintenance procedures, quality documents, drawings, and engineering files. This takes just a few clicks. There's no need to reorganize or reformat. DataQI ingests the text and structure directly from your existing documents. That includes unstructured written content such as procedures, notes, machine manuals, part specifications, safety information, and maintenance reports. Even for drawings and CAD files, DataQI extracts the text and annotations they contain, making them discoverable and easy to reference. Once connected, all this information becomes part of a unified synced knowledge base. So when documents are updated in SharePoint, Assistant reflects those changes instantly. No more digging for the latest revision or circulating outdated PDFs. Assistant Chat Interface. With the knowledge base ready, anyone on the shop floor can ask natural language questions and get instant verified answers. Let's ask, what should I check first if the coolant pressure on line 4 drops below threshold? DataQI Assistant searches across all connected documents and returns a clear, context-rich explanation. It cites the exact procedure, highlights relevant troubleshooting steps, and pulls in tabular data or safety precautions where needed. No more scrolling through 200-page manuals. No more waiting for an engineer to be available. The right answer appears immediately, and it comes from your approved documentation. Here's another example. Let's ask, show me the maintenance steps for replacing the spindle motor on machine 12. Assistant extracts the correct steps, references the page from the maintenance manual, and can even summarize or rewrite them for clarity. And if you need a report, a checklist, or a procedure, Assistant can generate these documents using your existing content, ensuring consistency across teams and reducing duplicated work. Engineers no longer spend hours rewriting what already exists. Operators get the answers they need in seconds. And teams across different sites finally work from the same source of truth. With DataQI Assistant, troubleshooting accelerates, downtime shrinks, and teams become less dependent on a few experts. Knowledge becomes accessible to everyone, consistently, instantly, and in the exact context they need. From seeing, to knowing, to doing. Assistant transforms how manufacturers access and use the information that keeps operations running.